Good morning, it's Monday, July 17th, just before 6 a.m. Central Time. Look at the precious metals overnight. They were weaker, but they are off of their lowest levels. We're seeing gold only down about $2, 1962. Silver down 10 cents, 25.09. Copper down 11. That's the big one. Down 2.75%, 382 is where we're trading at last. And platinum down 4 at 980. So platinum's had like almost a $100 rally off its lows, and silver last week over a $2 rally. So it's natural for those ones to take a breather. So kind of some of the data that came out last week, it was really the movements from Wednesday on, and it shows that, the odds of a recession, those are starting to fade. The inflation readings are continuing to cool. You've got the weaker dollar. That's going to equate to higher commodity prices and higher commodity exports. Treasury yields, they may have peaked. We've got the 10-year sitting at 3.77, way off its highest levels that we've seen recently. Same thing with the 2-year note. And then July 26th, we're going to have that next Fed meeting where we believe that they're one and done. So some of the key news that's kind of come out overnight here, Chinese GDP had weakened 6.3%. They were expecting 7.1. That's why your copper's down quite a bit right now. Also your Australian dollar and your crude oil futures. So we are going to look at this sell-off here on copper. We're already breaking pretty big levels here, pretty big sell-off. So I think it justifies sticking a toe in the water on the micro contract. We were scaling in over the last couple of weeks. We scaled back out of it. Now we're coming back down to old resistance, new support levels. So we're definitely going to look at copper today. If you're trading silver, you caught the move up, trail your stop on there, because a lot of times copper tends to want to pair along with silver and other industrial metals. You see that sell-off in copper, could be a delayed reaction on the silver market. Trail your stop, trust me. And then other news out here, and I think that this is kind of what boosted some of the safe haven assets, was Russia had suspended the Black Sea grain deal. So we saw we've got the wheat market up pretty big here in the overnight. I think that's the reason why we had quite a bit of volatility on those markets, and I think that that's why platinum is holding at those higher levels. I think palladium as well. Some of the outside grains are holding up also. Crude oil futures, we're going to want to be a little bit more patient, see if that can get a breakdown closer to 70 before we start scaling in. Key level support on gold, obviously 1950. On silver, September near in. I don't know if it'll hold $25. I really think below that, like the 24.83, the 24.73 down to 65. Those are kind of your key levels. Got any questions? I'm going to jump on TD Ameritrade Network about 7:15 a.m. Central Time, and then pump out the research. So you got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.